Hi, today I'm part of my Galaxy A04s and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store app, and now we should get the green Apple keyboard application from the Play Store. So now here in the search pool, enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Now just tap to open the app, click enable in settings. Here green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, tap twice to OK, go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. So now just will set all of the settings. So just let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.